Tona ya metshameko botaki le setso Nathi Mthethwa a re o dumela gore MaAfrika Borwa a ikaelela go nna le isago eo batho ba tshelang botlhe ka kagiso. O na neelana ka molaetsa wa letsatsi la poelano gompieno.
On this day of reconciliation, we reaffirm our commitment to live by the values of non-racialism and non-sexism. No matter how great the difficulties we may be facing, we cannot turn on each other. It is up to each one of us, whether as families, as parents, as educators, or as communities, to do more to build bridges of understanding. It cannot be that bringing about reconciliation should be the responsibility of the formerly oppressed. Instead of retreating into our cocoons of race, language, ethnicity, and class, let us use today and indeed every day as an opportunity to play our part.